Hi students, how are you? Here is a very interesting question. This substrate is first treated with BH3THF and then H2O2NOH. Then after that, it is treated with PPH3DERD, pyranitrobenzoic acid, and then K2CO3MeOH. So what will be the product? This question came in CSIR December 2013 exam. So actually, this problem consists of two reaction, two name reaction. That is called one. This is called hydroboration oxidation reaction. Hydroboration oxidation reaction, and the second is called Mitsunobu reaction. Mitsunobu reaction. And the third, that is it is a type of hydrolysis reaction, base catalyzed hydrolysis. So first we will see the general mechanism for hydroboration oxidation reaction and Mitsunobu reaction. Then we will go to the substrate for the final product. So in hydroboration oxidation reaction, let's say an alkene, this, if it is treated with BH3, then BH3 will add to this alkene. In presence of BH2, syn addition will happen. So hydrogen will add to the more hindered side, that between these two carbon, here one R group is there. So this carbon is more hindered, and this carbon is less hindered. So hydrogen will add to the more hindered carbon, and BH2 will add to the less hindered carbon. So here there will be a hydrogen, and here there will be BH2. So, and again this will add to another alkene, that is RCH double bond CH2, to another alkene, and finally this will be formed B CH2 CH2R whole 3. This will be formed. Now if it is treated with H2O2NaOH, H2O2NaOH, let's say this is R3B, trialkyl boron. If it is treated with H2O2NaOH, what will happen? First, OH minus will produce the hydroperoxide ion. This hydroperoxide ion will attack to this electrophilic boron, because it is electrophilic because it has 6 electron. So it is electrophilic, and it will attack to this boron. So what will happen? Here will be a minus charge. Now a hydroperoxide rearrangement will occur, that R group will move to this oxygen and OH group will removed. So minus OH minus, what happened? R B, it will be OR R. Now two similar step will occur, that is again hydroperoxide ion will occur in this boron, and one R group will migrate to this oxygen and OH group will leave. So another two R group will converted to OR. Two similar steps. So it will be converted to BOR whole 3. Now after workup, if it is treated with H2O, then ROH plus BOH whole 3, that is boric acid. Now what is ROH? ROH is, let's say this is R prime, this is R prime, R prime. So ROH is R prime CH2 CH2OH. So ultimately our product is, that is less hindered alcohol is formed in this reaction. So it is actually anti-Marconic of addition of H2O, we can say. Here H or OH is adding, hydrogen will add to the more hindered side and OH will add to the less hindered side. So negative charge will add to the higher number of hydrogen atoms. So this is anti-Marconic of addition of H2O into this alkene. Now we will go to the second reaction, that is the Mitsunobu reaction. In Mitsunobu reaction, this is R1, R2. Let's say this is an alcohol. If it is treated with PPH3, DEAD, and one acid, let's say a carboxylic acid, then what will happen? R1, R2, OCOOR. This will be the product. It is an ester of this carboxylic acid. So what is DEAD? DEAD is diethyl azo dicarboxylate, diethyl azo dicarboxylate, that is N double bond N COOET COOET. It is diethyl azo dicarboxylate. So we will follow the mechanism how this will form in Mitsunobu reaction condition. So first diethyl azo dicarboxylate PPH3 will attack PH3 plus, it will be negative COOET. Then from this carboxylic acid, negative charge will take a proton minus RCOO minus, so it will be converted to N, and writing this like this. Here I am placing the PPH3. So this will be formed. After that, the alcohol, it will attack to this PPH3 and so this will form O PPH3 plus, and it will be NH COOET COOET. Now RCOO minus will attack into this carbon, and this is a good living group, so it will live. So what will be the product? It is above the plane and it is going from below the plane. So the product will be OC COR R1 R2. Sorry, here only one oxygen will be there. OCOR. That is the A star of this COR group will formed. And after hydrolysis, let's say K2CO3 and MEOH, this will be converted to an alcoholic group. So now OH will be formed. So we can see here that by using Mitsunobu reaction, one alcohol, we can convert its configuration from R2S or S2R. Here the OH group is above the plane and here the OH group is below the plane. Now we'll come to our reaction. So our substrate was above the plane. So if it is treated with BH3 and THF, so actually we can represent this. It is a bridged system like this. It is a bridged system. Now this side, that is these two carbon are bridged carbon. This is above the plane and here there is a one carbon atom bridge and here is three carbon atom bridge. Now it has two sides. One is endo and another is exo. This is called exo side. This side is called exo side and this side, that is this side is called endo side. And this side is called exo side. Now if BH3 have to attack to this double bond, we can see here that it is less hindered and it is more hindered. So BH2 will add into this carbon and hydrogen will add into this carbon. Now we have to see whether it will come either exo side or endo side. This side is called exo and the lower side is called endo. So if it comes in exo side, then these two methyl group will create some steric crowding. So BH3 must come from the endo side, and if it is come from endo side, the product will be like this. The methyl group will go above and the hydrogen will below and the BH2 will below. So this is the endo product, endo adduct. This is the endo adduct. Now if it is treated with H2O2 NOH, H2O2 NOH, then BH2 will convert to OH group. So it will be above methyl group and OH group will below. Now under Mitsunobu condition, if it is treated with PPH3, DEAD and paratoluene sulfonic acid, paranitros benzoic acid, para-nitrobenzoic acid. Then the ester of para-nitrobenzoic acid of this alcohol will form. Ester of para-nitrobenzoic acid of that alcohol will formed. CH3 will be above, and OH group will come in the above the plane. So O, C double bond O. Here the para-nitrobenzoic acid. The ester of para-nitrobenzoic acid will be formed. Again I am telling, if it is treated with PPH3DEAD para-nitrobenzoic acid, then the ester of para-nitrobenzoic acid of this alcohol will formed. So the product will be this, and the OH which was below the plane will come above the plane. Now if it is hydrolyzed with K2CO3 in MEOH, then this will converted to an OH group. So our final product will be this. We can write this in this way. So this will be our final product. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please let me know in comment box. And to get such interesting videos, follow my channel, subscribe my channel to get notification as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a good day.